Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Without getting late, let's get into the topic. Using ESP32 cam board, we can stream video in our mobile phone. Let's see in detail what are the components required and what are the software required in detail. Let's talk about in detail. The components required are ESP32 cam board, TTL UART serial converter and some jumper cables. These are the required components. Give the connections as per the circuit diagram. Let's see circuit diagram in detail. Connect the RX pin of UART serial converter to TX pin of ESP32 cam board. Connect the TX pin of UART serial converter to RX pin of ESP32 cam board. Connect the 5V pin of UART serial converter to 5V pin of ESP32 cam board. Connect the ground pin of UART serial converter to ground pin of ESP32 cam board. And GPIO and ground pin are shorted. After uploading the code, remove the jumper cable between GPIO and ground pins. That's all about circuit diagram. Take a screenshot.
Open Arduino IDE. I already installed in my laptop. Then go to Tools menu and then select Board Manager and just enter ESP32 board. I already installed this board. Then go to File menu and then select Examples and then select ESP32 camera module and select camera web server. After that we got default code like this. Uncomment the camera module which you are using. I am using camera model AI Thinker. And then just enter your Wi-Fi network and password name. Then open Tools menu and then select Board Manager, ESP32 Arduino, and then select ESP32 rover module. Select upload speed as 921/600 and flash frequency 80 MHz and flash mode QIO and partition scheme select as huge app 3MB no OTA, core debug level none, and select port COM3. Then verify and just upload the code. Compiling and uploading of code will take little bit of time. When it was showing connecting, then press reset button in ESP32 cam board. Then code will be flashed into cam board. After uploading the code, just remove jumper cable between GPIO and ground pin. Then open serial monitor. Press reset button on the ESP32 cam board. Within few seconds, the Wi-Fi will be connected. Here we got IP address. Just note it down and enter that IP address in your mobile browser. After entering, the data will be shown in serial monitor like this.
Let's talk about what are the problems I faced during uploading the code. Double check the connections while uploading the code. Check the CAM model which you are using. Select the appropriate USB port while uploading the code in Arduino software. These are the problems I faced during uploading the code.
Open your browser in your mobile. Just enter the IP address which we got in serial monitor in Arduino software. If everything goes fine, the page will open like this. Then select Start Stream. In the small screen wizard, our picture will be shown. We can stream our video. Even we can take picture also. We can enroll face. We have lots of effects. Resolution also we can change. Just I am changing the resolution. Overall the camera quality is good at this price. But little bit lag is there, but okay. Overall the camera quality is very good. Even I didn't expect this much. We have a lot of options. We can enroll our face and it can detect automatically. By using this board we can do lot of projects by connecting PIR sensor and a door lock. This is a cool bar option. We have H mirror, V flop, lens correction. Lot of options we have in this page. Even we can store our pictures in CAM board itself. It can have micro SD card slot. If we want to enroll face, we have to select lower resolution, then only it will detect our face. AE level I am changing.
Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.
Okay.